I don't have time to chat right now. I don't have time to chat right now. Please don't touch my belongings. Please don't touch my belongings. I don't understand this document. I don't understand this document. I don't feel well today. I don't feel well today. They don't allow pets in this building. They don't allow pets in this building. I don't want to miss the bus. I don't want to miss the bus. You don't need to worry about anything. You don't need to worry about anything. I don't eat meat anymore. I don't eat meat anymore. Don't forget to water the plants. Don't forget to water the plants. I don't think that's a good idea. I don't think that's a good idea. We don't usually go out on weekdays. We don't usually go out on weekdays. I don't like waiting in long lines. I don't like waiting in long lines. Don't be late for the meeting. Don't be late for the meeting. I don't remember asking for help. I don't remember asking for help. They don't sell that brand here. They don't sell that brand here. I don't know how to swim. I don't know how to swim. Don't bring your phone to the table. Don't bring your phone to the table. I don't appreciate your tone. I don't appreciate your tone. He doesn't like to play video games. He doesn't like to play video games. We don't have any bread left. We don't have any bread left.